Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review my new G-Shock, a new addition to my collection. This one is special because it's the 40th anniversary, 40 years of G-Shock. The model is called DW-6940RX-7ER. I have always been a huge fan of G-Shock watches. In fact, I started my YouTube channel by unboxing a G-Shock watch. And this watch is really special because it's like 40 years of G-Shock. I really like special editions, and this one will definitely enhance my collection. But before we will unbox this special G-Shock, let's start by looking at a brief history of G-Shock. The history of Casio's G-Shock watches dates back to the early 80s. The concept of the tough digital watch comes from the vision of Casio's engineer Kiku Ibe, who wanted to create a timepiece that would be literally indestructible. The goal was to design a watch that could withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme conditions. But the true inspiration for the G-Shock's development came from a simple accident. Kiku Ibe was motivated to create a durable watch after he accidentally dropped a pocket watch given to him by his father, which shattered upon impact. This incident sparked his determination to design a wristwatch that could be shock resistant and be able to endure harsh conditions. In 1981, after years of research and development, Casio launched its first G-Shock watch, the DW-5000C. It featured a triple protection design with a rugged case, a hollow structure, and a module that was suspended inside the watch to protect it from shocks. The DW-5000C introduced the signature square shape that has become synonymous with G-Shock watches. Casio developed Triple 10 concept, a 10-year battery life, 10-bar water resistance, and 10-meter dropping shock resistance. So the G-Shock concept is over 40 years old now. Since 1981, Casio made countless iterations of G-Shock watches, different shapes, different colors, different materials, various special editions and limited editions, and this one is very special because it's the 40th anniversary, 40 years of G-Shock. The box is very different from the regular G-Shock box because it's like 2 times bigger. You see this interesting logo, G-Shock 40th anniversary. Usually the box is dark gray, this one is light gray, it has like this stone texture. So let's unbox and see what's inside. And inside, no surprise, you have the standard G-Shock warranty card and a manual for this module. But that's not the most interesting part. The most interesting part is inside. I really like the packaging because you have a box inside the box. This internal box looks like the G letter. You know, G-Shock. You got the idea. I like it. I like this attention to details. The G-Shock is wrapped in this protective cover. Let's remove it and have a look on the watch itself. I really like the unboxing experience, by the way. And here it is. A limited edition G-Shock. Wow. This watch is so unusual and special because it is transparent. You can see through. It's like, you know, the skeleton edition or something like that. Let's read the official description on Casio's website about this watch. So the see-through material is used for the LCD to let the underlying circuit board show through. On the exclusively developed circuit board, the metal LSI cover has gold IP applied to it and is engraved with 4 stars to commemorate 4 decades of G-Shock, together with the G-Mark and G-Shock logo that adorn the circuit board. This design features add a playful touch that can be seen from the outside. This novel design is achieved by using an LED backlight and transparent light guide plate. Alright, so it looks like a very sophisticated design solution. I don't know about you, but I like weird things, and when I saw this G-Shock, I immediately decided to buy it. I think it's one of the most unique G-Shock designs ever made, because you see the internal parts, you see the electronics, Actually, it's kind of hard to read time on this watch, but it's like not a big deal because I think G-Shock are made for, it's like a fashion device. I don't think I will be wearing this watch on everyday basis because I don't want to destroy it. I don't want to have any marks on this watch. I'm going to just keep it in my collection, maybe wearing from time to time on special occasions. The backlight on this G-Shock DW-6940RX-7 looks simply stunning. The LED light is very powerful, so it glows up the whole display. I love the symbolism behind the 4 stars on this G-Shock display, as they represent 4 decades of G-Shock's legacy. Call me a weirdo, but I'm drawn to these kind of design choices. I appreciate history and I love things with a story, things that stand out, and this G-Shock definitely fits that description. This G-Shock is exactly that. This watch was released back in 2023, so it's like 3 years old now, but it's still brand new. It has a water resistance of 20 bar, 200 meters. Of course, it stands the G-Shock ruggedness. It has mineral glass, LED illuminator backlight, it has full auto calendar for 100 years. It's kind of scary to think about the calendar on this watch because it stops at year 2100, and I think by the year 2100 I will no longer be on this planet. You neither, probably. What will happen to this watch in 100 years? Will it still be owned by my kids or my family, or it will die somewhere? I don't know. From my information, from my sources, this transparent G-Shock is a pretty limited edition because it was produced from 20 to 25,000 units. All in all, it's a rather rare G-Shock and I'm really happy having it in my collection. This G-Shock is special because you can literally see the brain of the watch. You can see parts of the PCB, printed circuit board. This watch also uses the transparent LCD, and transparent LCDs are rare and hard to make. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this transparent G-Shock. Would you pick this watch for your collection or it's too transparent? Thanks again for watching. Peace.